So in business networking, really specifically, I run something within a network that you guys may or may not have heard of, but I run Tech Corner, and I tell people, if you're in virtual networking, set this up for yourself. Get the $30 tier of HubSpot, get the paid Calendly tier, make sure you pay for your Zoom link, and then the rest falls in behind it. It's really simple to do it. So this is the equipment portion of it, right? What is a tech stack? It's a bunch of pieces of software or hardware stacked on top of one another that are some kind of integration between them. Within the tech stack, your marketing funnel is warehoused, right? So I'll use Facebook organic. If you're using Facebook paid advertising, it works really, really well. LinkedIn, there's a integration between LinkedIn and HubSpot that is killer. Zoom meetings are integrated, time, date stamped. Calendly, and then your email, prefer Gmail within this ecosystem. Overall, there's one thing missing from this. It is called Fathom Note Taker. It is a godsend for those of us that write in hieroglyphics and draw pictures for our notes. Phenomenal. It came out 9 months ago. So every time you have a Zoom meeting, it jumps in with you. It transcribes the meeting for you.